As much as we love our South Texas, the weather can be a little wonky. Regardless, you want to make sure your HVAC system is up to date and working properly. Make sure it's cleaned while you're changing those filters. But that's not anything you have to worry about. You can reach out to our friends Texas Coast Heating and Air Conditioning, and they'll take care of you. Plus, they offer 24/7 emergency service in the event that things like that happen in these extreme temperatures. They've got you covered. And we love a business that takes care of us when it matters the most. Let's hear from one of their very own clients with a testimony about what you can expect when you join Texas Coast Heating and Air Conditioning.
Hi, my name is Jay Gutierrez, and I'm a local insurance agent here in Corpus Christi, Texas. And Richard Gonzalez and Texas Coast Heating and Air did a fantastic job on my new insurance building. They showed up on time. They did exactly what they were going to say they were going to do. But the most key is knowing that I was getting a fair price for the work that was done. I never felt that I was ever taken advantage of. And the key thing with his whole operation, what attracted me to his business and just the way he operated, is he is trustworthy. And that was the most critical part of me making a final decision, like who am I going to go with, because it wasn't cheap. I mean, it was expensive, right? But it was the equipment was the best equipment out there, right? I wanted the best. I didn't want a basic system. I wanted the best, AC unit, right? Because it was 5 AC air conditioning systems I bought from him, right? So, point is, trustworthy. That was the most important. If you're looking for a new air conditioning system for your home or your business, please look to call Richard Gonzalez and his team at Texas Coast Heating and Air.
Well, that testimony speaks for itself, and I think we're all looking for a brand and a local company that we can trust, especially when it comes to our HVAC system. So if yours needs repair, replacement, or if you find yourself in an emergency situation, reach out to our friends at Texas Coast Heating and Air Conditioning and let them know Coastal Living.